Have you seen spaces where AC tonnage is correct, equipment is high end, and installation is correct, but you feel suffocated, you feel having discomfort? The reason could be that a CFM was never designed properly. The CFM is equal to airflow volume, generally called cubic feet per minute. There is another element which is ACH, that is the air changes per hour. If the airflow is less, if the CFM is less, room feels suffocated, cooling is uneven, air quality drops. If the airflow is too high, draft is discomfort. When the air comes on your head or your face, you feel discomfort. There are noise issues and there is going to be energy wastage. Hence, it is very important to balance the Hence, it is very important to balance the air. The equipment creates cooling, but airflow delivers the comfort. CFM is the bridge between these two. The CFM, as I said, is cubic feet per minute. CFM is equal to velocity into area. If the room size volume is 1080 cubic feet, that's the example in front of you. And if you need ACH of 6 air changes per hour 6, then the CFM requirement for your room is 108. So please ensure that you have a machine which delivers that kind of CFM. How do we measure the CFM? It is measured, as I said, velocity into area square feet. So if it is a duct or a diffuser, there are ways and means of measuring instruments. You have to measure the area from which the air is coming out and velocity. There could be a constant factor for that equipment which is measuring that. So one of the instrument is capture hood, which measures the actual velocity. It calculates the area which is catering to, and it gives you the CFM. So it's very important to understand the concept of CFM. Hope you got this. Thank you.